It's warming up. It's warming up. It's warming up. It's singing. Oh, listen to that. It's singing. 2 hours. 2 hours? Well, I guess it's better than the 6 hours I said a second ago. That'll probably be another hour. What's up, YouTube? It's been almost a year since I've posted. 9 months since my last video stating I won the Wurth Electronics off-the-clock design contest and got the 3D printer, which I've used to make a few things. It did help me out a lot. One of the first things I made was this battery holder, which holds these batteries with some Velcro to the drone I was working on. The drone never flew too well, but the battery holder held up good. Some of the next things I made these cool little holders for the Arduino boards that I downloaded off Thingiverse. It's a great source for a lot of different downloads, and I did donate to the guy who actually designed this holder. One of the things I did design and made on my own was I had a Pine 64 off of a Kickstarter, an older Kickstarter, so I built one of those. And I had some failed things too. I had this neck to this robot I was working on. Downloaded some files from a Make magazine article that had this little robot. I couldn't get the robot really to work, but the body seemed to print out okay. So the last thing I made that you saw during the intro was actually just this little stand. I can't believe it took me a year to build a stand for this guy, but I did, and now he could sit on my shelf as a trophy, which is pretty much all he is now. I haven't used it since last year. The last video I showed me completing this as a contest, and it does still hook up, it does still charge. Okay, 2 green lights, that's good. There's a light inside, that's good. The light's coming on, that's good. It does still get hot and smell. As you can see, it still works, still charges up. I didn't do anything further with it. Still a great little product. I love that I made it. I love the way it came out, so much so, my original plans were to tear it back apart and use the wireless charging system for something else, a new project, but I couldn't bring myself to do it. I loved it too much. I want to keep it around. So it looks like I'll just have to buy a new wireless charging kit at some point. Anyway, I wanted to do this update and thank Wurth Electronics again for giving me the opportunity to compete last year. They did start up a new contest for Wurth Electronics using a wireless server node development platform, which really looks cool. I mean, I was kind of looking it up. You can go to Wurth Electronics or we-online.com and find them. So they got this little product that the overview states, as sensor nodes become ubiquitous, the need to power wireless sensor nodes from ambient energy sources will be a necessity. And what they're talking about is like Internet of Things, right? Like this says it's possible ambient energy sources include light, heat, vibration, stress, high intensity AC magnetic fields, which is kind of how this wireless induction charging that I did last year works, and micro-sized rotational or oscillatory electromagnetic generators. Basically, that's a really fancy way of saying they put this board together that has a few different ways to generate electricity, both solar, heat. So my memory card got full and it cut off. Anyway, emptied some, now I'm going to finish. So yeah, it seems like a great thing. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description so you can get to the contest, find the names of the guys. Design started April 20th, which means they're already into it. They should release a video soon, I'm sure, or however they are deciding to document their progress. I recommend videos. They're easier than, they're not easier to do, but they are easier to get information across successfully. Anyway, it says the winners are going to be announced September 4th, 2018. So it sounds like they're going to have quite a bit more time than I had, which, lucky you. And that's the end of this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you would like, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm going to be uploading videos a lot more frequently soon. They'll be random, but they'll be pretty good. And go ahead and hit the bell notification so it'll be known when I upload videos. So it won't be as long as what I've been doing. They're only going to be 3 to 5 minutes long, and they're going to be fairly random, not about the contest. But, you know, I hope you will enjoy what I do. Anyway, once again, thank you so much to Wurth Electronics for giving me the opportunity last year to compete in the contest, for choosing me as the manufacturer choice winner for the 3D printer off of my design, and for just supporting me, especially Amelia Thompson, who emailed me quite a few times and was my correspondence and got me what I needed when I needed it. So thank you to all of you people who helped, and that concludes this video. Thank you. See you next time.